What you doing, Piper? Are you jellyfishing? In there? You got 100 of them? 100 of what? Jellyfishes in there? You're jellyfishing? Yeah? You got a net? Did you get the red one?
Yeah. Mine's pink.
Yes, yours is pink. It's very pretty.
It's got sticks.
It's got a bamboo stick, doesn't it?
It's just like a bamboo.
Yes, it is. It's just like bamboo.
It's a bamboo.
It's bamboo.
Bamboo.
Bamboo. You like it? What are you trying to do? Huh? Are you trying to break it?
Yeah.
Why? Why would you want to break it? Hey, easy.
What am I got? Jellyfish.
How many you got now?
1, 3, 4.
Yeah? It's a lot.
That's right.
Yep. I'm taking a video. Say, hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Hi.
Are you-
For me.
I'm not taking a picture. It's a video. All right, I'll take a picture.
Bye.